Natural objects have always fascinated the creativity of the poets. They have been immortalized them in their poetry. The amalgam of the poetry and art has been beautifully captured in this video. The visual representation of the scenes through art leaves an indelible mark on the mind of the readers. Now, listen to the poem.
This poem that I am going to deal with is a nature poem celebrating the coming of rain. As we all know, in this poem, a conversation takes place between the rain and the poet. The title of my poem is The Voice of the Rain by Walt Whitman. And who art thou, said I to the soft falling shower, which strange to tell gave me an answer as here translated. I am the poem of the earth, said the voice of the rain. Eternal, I rise impalpable out of the land and bottomless sea, upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed, altogether changed, and yet the same. I descend to lave the droughts, atomies, and dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin and make pure and beautify it. For song, issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, duly with love return.
You have just heard the poem The Voice of the Rain. Now I am going to ask you few questions based on it to check your comprehension. Between whom does the conversation takes place? Why does the rain call herself the poem of the earth? From where does the rain originate? How does the rain beautify the earth? What is the parallel drawn between rain and music?
I will explain to you through the water cycle how rain is formed. The heat of the sun evaporates the water from different water bodies like river, lake, ocean and transform them into invisible water vapors. These water vapors are light, so they rise to the sky. There they form clouds, and because of the process of condensation, they come down as rain and go back to the water body from where they originated. This is a circular phenomenon.
The rain called herself the poem of the earth soon after its arrival. The whole scenario changes. The trees sprout new leaves and beautiful flowers. The dust atomies are washed away to the earth looks beautiful.
During the summer season, we find that the earth looks barren without any vegetation. The seeds lie embedded on the earth's crust, waiting for the conditions to become favorable. No greenery can be seen around. The earth does not look beautiful. This idea is beautifully portrayed through this picture.
The poet, in the concluding two lines of the poem, has drawn a parallel between rain and music. Both of them originate from their birthplace after giving joy and happiness, then again return to their origin. This the poem comes a full circle and has a universal appeal.
Hello children, have you seen in this video how art is make your subject more interesting? Now I am telling 5 important tools about art integration. Just see. First is visualization. Visualization is very important tool to explain your subject in very powerful way, because we are living in visual world and we learn very easy anything by seeing. So visualization is also very important tool. Another is integration. Integration means the combination of any other subject which makes your subject and topic very clear. Just like in this poem you are seeing, we are using the water cycle, which is come from science. Another is music, the tap water, and rhythm. So all the things makes your subject very interesting. Third topic is explanation. Explanation is also very important tool to explain any subject, because sometimes we know what the meaning of the poem and the picture, but we can't know how to explain. So explanation is also very important tool. Then innovation. Innovation is the just like the soul of whole video, and in this video we are trying to make this poem very interesting by innovation. Innovation we use to explain these things in innovate manner. We are making picture, we are creating video, we are make some dialogue, etc. And last one is presentation. Presentation is just like all the things you are having, but you don't know how to present. So presentation is very important. In this art integration video, you are learn all 5 tools which you can use in any other topic and in any other subject also. I am Anjali Kesri from KV Nuke and Prayagraj TGT Art Education, and I am very thankful to Jayashree ma'am, PGT English, because she guide us how to integrate art with English. In this video, we are trying to explain how art is important for all the subject, and it can makes your subject more interesting. So let's try. Bye bye.